Hello, this is second grade lesson 19, and we're going to start with using measurement. Answer the questions below by looking at the pictures. Number 1, did it take more pencils or more cubes to measure the snake? So we're going to count first. We're going to count the pencils. So we have 1, 2, and 3, but we don't need this because the snake is until over here. It took 2 pencils to measure the snake. Now we're going to count the cubes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and it goes on. So it took 6 cubes to measure the snake. Since 6 is bigger than 2, we're going to write more cubes. Okay, we needed more cubes to measure the snake. Now number 2 is the same thing, and we're going to try number 3. If each cube equals 1 inch, how long is a pen? So this cube equals 1 inch. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, goes on. And since it's until right here, the pen is equal to 5 inches. And then the next page we have numbered line diagram. Using the line diagram, write an addition equation. So number 1, we have this one. The arrow starts over here, which is 12. So we're gonna write 12 and then plus blank equals this. It's until 19, right? It ends at 19. So we're going to write 19 over here. Now we need to find the middle number right here. And to do that, we have to do 19 minus 12. So 9 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We subtract 1, 2, and we count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, and then 1 minus 1, that is 0, so we don't have to write it down. We're going to write 7 over here. So 12 plus 7 equals 19. If we're not sure, we can also count. We do 12 plus 7, right? And then plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we get to 19. Okay? Now, number 2, we have 21. Oh, actually, let's try number 3. It's going backwards, right? So now we're gonna have to start with the biggest number. So 35. So we write 35, and then it goes down, and it ends right over here. So at 31. So we write equals 31. Now we're going to have to know what the middle number is. So what we do, 35 minus 31. And 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the answer is 4. And we write 4. And again, we can check it by doing. So minus 1, 2, 3, 4. That equals 31. Now, the next page we have using blocks. Write the total value by counting the blocks. Let's try number 3. So this is hundreds, 100, and these blocks are tens. These are ones, okay? So we have 100, 200, right? So 200 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and 1, 2. 2 ones. 2 hundreds, 5 tens and 2 ones. So we write 2, 5, 2. Okay, and let's try number 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 300s, right? And we don't have any tens. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. So that equal 3, 0, and 9. It says 0 because we don't have any tens. Okay, and then word problems. Let's try number 1. On a cold night, Veronica read 23 pages of the 90-page book. The next day, she read 20 more pages. How many more pages does she have to read to finish the book? So she read 23 pages of the 90-page book, right? So she read 23. So 90 minus 23. We can't do 0 minus 3. So we're going to borrow 1 10 from the tens place. That would become 8. And then now this is 10. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. So we write 7. And then 8 minus 2 is 6. So 67. Now she read 20 more pages, right? So we're going to have to do 67 minus 20. 7 minus 0, 7. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So she needs to read 47 more pages to finish the book. Okay, thank you.